I'm going to talk about repurposing research as a way to find treatments for patients with unmet needs in low and lower middle income countries. Repurposing research is taking drugs, devices, nutraceuticals that have been approved, determined safe to use in humans, and testing them to see if they're safe and effective in different indications. This is a model that Cures Within Reach as a nonprofit has executed successfully in North America and Europe, and now we're looking to transfer that model to low and lower middle income countries. We know that the need for access to medicines is highest in these low and low middle income countries. However, most of research dollars are focused on other countries. These types of grants to support repurposing research in low and lower middle income countries will build capacity for research in these countries, while at the same time finding treatments that are easily accessible for patients in the local communities. First of all, there is no centralized place for repurposing when we're talking to universities. There's absolutely an oncology department, a neuroscience department, but there's no department of repurposing. So it's centralizing these projects. The other challenge is it's not always seen as innovative to do repurposing research, and so investigators who are pursuing these areas aren't always encouraged to fund and to pursue those projects. Instead, they're looking more toward new drug development. Thirdly is that the economic incentives for repurposing research are not always there. Many times these are generic drugs, and so finding the funders and the support to back this research can be challenging. We hope to have an even bigger presence in the developing world. We know that if we find treatments that work in low and lower middle income countries, chances are they're going to work everywhere in the world. So we really want to increase our global impact. There are thousands and thousands of unsolved diseases out there, and we have thousands of already approved medications. If we can bring those together to solve those unsolved medical needs, that would be fantastic. Right now, we are talking to other organizations that have had experience in these areas. Again, Cures Within Reach has worked in North America and Europe, and we have relationships there. So we're starting to build those relationships in lower and lower middle income countries. We are looking for partners. We are looking for people who are interested in helping us with our ReGRoW program, whether it's providing brain power assistance, whether it's providing introductions into the developing world or financial support. We'd love to hear from you.